It's the 4th of December. My name is Bongega Masango, and here are your newspaper headlines. On the front page of the Citizen, Justice at Last, with the picture of Riva and Oscar Pistorius. The front page of the Times reports, Justice eventually. Athlete has a few options. The Supreme Court of Appeal throws out culpable homicide verdict. On the front page of Pretoria News, Oscar jail looms. He faces bleak Christmas after murder conviction. The front page of the Sowetan, Super Cop nailed Oscar. Appeal court relies on forensic expert Chris Mangena's evidence to convict athlete of murder. The Cape Times reports, it's billions for Africa. Chinese leader set to announce package of measures. On the front page of the Business Day, Treasury finally reins in on the SAA board. And lastly, on the front page of the Star, welcome to South Africa. President Jacob Zuma opens summit aimed at creating a better life for all. For these stories and more, visit News 24 Live.